Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to add a product to Magento. So far we haven't done anything custom to our site yet. This is just the default Magento theme. So let's start off by logging into our admin. From the admin, all of our product management is going to be done in Catalog, Manage Products. Once we're here, we're presented with a gray that of course has no products in it yet, so we need to go ahead and add product. The attribute set for now, let's just stick to default. Later on we'll go through what this is and how to customize it, but just for adding products in, we're not so concerned about that. The product types are simple, grouped, configurable, virtual, bundle, and downloadable. We're going to be adding a toaster to our demo store, so that's just a simple product. A group product would be if we were to sell a toaster plus a blender and we wanted to put both a toaster on the site and a blender on the site as two separate products, but using group product we can sell them together. A configurable product is a product like if you were selling a customized computer system and people had to select many options so they could configure this computer for you to build and send out to them. A virtual product would be basically anything that's not physical you're sending out to them, which is very close to a downloadable product, except that a downloadable product literally allows you to put in the URL of the thing that allows them to download. And the bundled product is kind of like a kit. So let's keep moving forward. Product type, simple product. Continue. Alright, so we're going to call it the best toaster ever. And it cooks bread and turns it into toast. Short description, a reliable toaster. Alright, so the name of course is what's going to be at the title of your page, of their product page, excuse me. The description is what's going to be typically the really long, you explaining what this product is, any accolades the product has received, and you generally want to sell it right there. The short description might come up in search results if you want, although that's rare, but it's more of like a snippet that you can put somewhere else. And by default, you can display both short and long descriptions. For now, I'm going to go ahead and do this so that we can see it when it comes up. So when we are looking on the front, you guys can actually see, oh, that's where the short description actually prints out by default. Alright, our SKU is toaster 1, and the weight is 5 pounds. Set product new. This is a new product. Basically, we want to show the new flag from today all the way to, let's say, June 1st. The status is enabled. The URL key means that we get to pick what we want the SEO-friendly URL name to be. By default, it's going to take the name at the top and turn that into the URL key, and that's just fine for now. So it'll be something like the best toaster ever. But I'm not even going to fill it out. I just want Magento to fill it in for me. Visibility, I want it to be visible in both the catalog and search. If you pick not visible individually, you're basically hiding it. Like you just want to put a test product on and maybe you just want to see what it looks like for you, but you don't want anyone to buy it. This would be the best solution. Or you can hide it in search, or if you want this to be a production item, the best solution is just to pick catalog and search. Alright, country of manufacturing, you can pick this as optional. The prices tab. Right here, the base price, let's just say it's $20. Now, a special price would be if I want to go into this product later on and say, you know, and I'm going to sell it for $15. It'll say $20 with a slash through and then give the 15 special price. And then I could pick that special price whenever I want. Let's say it's an introductory offer, the same period as our new. Alright, so it's actually a $20 item on sale for $15. We don't care about MAP, and we aren't concerned with the DAP right now. Tax, it is a taxable good, and there's no tax on the shipping. Now, group prices, and we're going to get into groups in a second here, but group prices these are just customized products, or sorry, customized customer groups. And you can go to here and actually change what these things are. These are just the default that come with Magento. You should look up our customer group video if you want further explanation of what these are. But basically, I can say for all the wholesale people, I'm going to sell this at $10. And for all the people at retail, well, I'll just keep them at that $20. Now, if I wanted someone to get a discount if they bought, let's say they bought 100 toasters, maybe I'll give them the price for $14. And maybe if they bought, 1,000 toasters, I'm kind of stingy, we'll just give them $13, just a discount with that. And you can see that even with the quantity discounts and tiered pricing, you still can filter by groups, which is kind of a cool option. All right, meta information, there's a lot of SEO stuff you can do with this. Images. Of course, there are no images, so it's time for us to upload a file. We're going to do that right now. Not sure if my screen capture is actually going to get this. That's coming up. Oh, that's because I was clicking on the wrong file there. All right, so let's go to our demo store. There's my large toaster. Now I'm going to click Upload File. It's going to take a second. And we want this to be our base image, our small image, and our thumbnail. All right. Our reoccurring profile, this is something we'll explain later on. It's nothing you have to worry about right now, but it has to do with PayPal's recurring profiles. Design, this is another thing you might want to go into, but basically you can control the design on a product by product basis. Gift options, do you want people to be able to write in a message, say, this is a note, like if you had flowers per se on your site, this would be a given. You'd definitely want to allow a gift message. Inventory, let's say I have 150 toasters and I am in stock. It's important that you move this to in stock, otherwise it might not show up on your store. All right, categories, we'll just put in the default category for now. Now if I want to add other products that are related to this, like that blender that we were talking about earlier, this might be a good place to put it. Of course, we don't have any other products, so this is our only product for now, but basically you can search for other products and then attach them here at related, upsells, or cross-sells. And of course, any custom options you may have. So let's go ahead and save this. All right, and there we are, our best toaster ever. If we open this thing back up, you can see that Magento has actually created it, and it's ready to go. So let's see if it's... All right, and here we are with my toaster image. So this is the basics. You see our regular price, $20, with a strike price of $15. And you even have our tiered-based pricing here, where it's showing $14 and $13. And Magento has conveniently calculated the savings for everyone that wants to determine how much would I save if I want to do that. We have our short description down here. We have our long description down here. And that's about it. We're going to go into greater detail about what we do once we have these products in, but for now, that's the basics on how to add a simple product.